I chose the nursing department at UIndy because I really enjoyed the sim lab and seeing all the different types of things that we can do in the sim lab and really hearing about what the mannequins do and how they operate.
Our simulation center includes more than 12 life-size mannequins, as well as 2 high fidelity, which are computer-controlled mannequins that can actually simulate real-life situations.
Our mannequins can breathe and have pulses and talk and make interesting sounds and change vital signs so our students can respond to those patient scenarios.
SimLab really gets all those first nerves out of the way. You go in with a dummy that's controlled by other people behind this glass, and it puts you in stressful situations that you overcome, so whenever you're in the real hospital, you don't feel overwhelmed in those situations.
The nursing faculty work really hard to set up the simulation rooms to mirror what we would find in a hospital setting or a situation.
This allows safe space for you to make mistakes and learn. This allows you that when you get out into the nursing field, you won't make the same mistakes that you made in the sim lab. You also get to practice a lot of skills that you will need to know how to do, such as inserting Foley catheters, inserting peripheral IVs, doing sterile dressing changes, just things that you will have to know how to do, but you can do it in the sim lab.